The problem to be answered is a two-part problem. Given a compound which is made up of carbon, hydrogen, and phosphorus, and given the percent composition of 56.5% carbon, 7.11% hydrogen, and 36.4% phosphorus, first, what is the empirical formula of this compound? And second, what is the molecular formula? So we need to start with the first question first, and we'll start with the poem. First thing you do is list all of the elements here, carbon, hydrogen, and phosphorus. And you need to go from percent to grams. So you change the percentage sign to grams. Grams to moles. You're going to divide each element by its molar mass. So for carbon, we divide by 12.01 grams per mole. For hydrogen, 1.008 grams per mole. And for phosphorus, 30.97 grams per mole. Divide by small. 1.1753 is the smallest number of moles. So we divide each by 1.1753 moles, and we get these values. Now we look at the tenths place. If the number in the tenths place is 0, 1, or 9, you can round to the nearest whole number. If it's any other number, you have to multiply till whole. Here, they're all zeros, so we can round them to 4, 6, and 1 respectively. So the empirical formula is C4H6P. Now we're going to answer the second question. In order to do this, we need to know the empirical formula mass. So here, we're going to multiply 4 carbons times 12.01, 6 hydrogens by 1.008, and 1 phosphorus by 30.97, and we get 85.06 grams per mole. We also need to know the molar mass. We're given that in this question, and so it's 170.14 grams per mole. We're going to take the molar mass and divide it by the empirical formula mass, and so we plug in the values, and we get 2. Note, this value had better be very close, like within hundredths of a whole number greater than 0. All of the subscripts will be multiplied by the value of the molar mass divided by the empirical formula mass, which in this case is 2. So we can set it up to look like this, and so we can say the molecular formula is C8H12P2.